This is Eminem talking.
I love the fact that so many people now have been able to get on easier than it was for me or you.
And this is Eminem rapping.
I'm the illest rapper to hold the cordless, patrolling corners, looking for hookers to punch in the mouth for the roll of quarters.
Did you notice how he sounds different when he's rapping compared to when he's talking? That's because he's using a very powerful technique that I'm about to share with you that's going to help you improve the quality of your rap voice. My name is ColeMize, and I've been helping rappers perfect their rap skills on this channel for the past 10 years. Now, the technique I'm about to teach you is called compression. And I'm not talking about those pants that some of these women of size wear. You know, the ones when they take them off and it's like opening up a can of refrigerator biscuits? No, sir. I'm talking about vocal compression. Vocal compression is a delivery technique that rappers use to improve the tonality of their voice, and it also allows them to rap longer without having to take a breath. And here's how it works. Think of your lungs like a balloon. Now, when you're rapping and you're taking a breath, you filled up the air in your balloon. And just like a balloon, the main factor that's going to determine how quickly you run out of air is based on how open the throat is. If the throat of the balloon is completely open, it's going to produce a lower tone and it's going to run out of air very quickly. But if we pinch the throat, it's going to produce a higher tone and it's going to be able to produce sound for a lot longer before running out of air. You get the picture. And you can try this theory out on your voice right now, and here's how. To imitate your throat being completely open and just letting a bunch of air out very quickly, just take a deep breath in, and then say, now let's do it again, but this time we're gonna use a little bit of compression. And the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna make an S sound by taking our tongue and putting it to the roof of our mouth. So take a deep breath in again, then make an S sound. Now, did you feel how tight your abs started feeling towards the end of you running out of breath? If not, do it again and pay attention to that, because that's the muscle that we're using to create compression. Now, let's dial in some compression while we're rapping. First, let's just say the following line and repeat after me. This is a lesson on compression. This is a lesson on compression. Now, this time I want you to tighten your stomach a little bit and say it again. This is a lesson on compression. This is a lesson on compression. Now, if you're struggling to access the compression, imagine you're straining to pick something up heavy while you're saying your line. So, like that. Now let's push it further and tighten our stomachs up even a little bit more. This is a lesson on compression. This is a lesson on compression. Now let's go even higher and mimic that classic Slim Shady sound. This is a lesson on compression. This is a lesson on compression. Now let's push it even further and mimic a familiar sound of some of your favorite trap rappers. For this one, we're almost swallowing our voice while we're compressing our vocals. Kind of like, this is a lesson on compression. 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 Now, this gives you a good scope of the vast range of compression that you could use on your voice. And you'll likely find that a dab will do you. Just a little bit of compression on your voice can go a long way. The Slim Shady and trap rapper examples are extreme examples of compression. But most of the time, you'll probably just need a little bit of compression on your voice. Let's do it one more time. First with no compression, then with a little bit of compression. Here we go. This is a lesson on compression. This is a lesson on compression. Again, one more time. No compression, then with compression. This is a lesson on compression. This is a lesson on compression. Now, spend some time recording your vocals and experimenting with this vocal compression technique to get more familiar with it. Feel free to go subtle, extreme, and get a sense of that difference. And let me know in the comments section below if this was helpful. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get my free Rap Essentials bundle, which includes the following: the #1 fundamental to rapping ebook, bar sheets to help you improve the structuring of your lyrics, 6 practice instrumentals, which include dedicated video tutorials, the CMS catalog, which has my favorite studio gear recommendations, plus I'll be sharing via email the most essential video tutorials I've made that I recommend every aspiring rapper to watch. These lessons are going to teach you all the core techniques that you need to be a better rapper now. And all of this is 100% free when you join my mailing list via the link in the video's description below. Again, my name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules. There's only techniques. Peace.
Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.